Dear friends, in the last chapter, in the last class, we have seen how we can change the degree of a sentence from superlative into comparative degree. Now, based on that particular aspect, now we are going to do something more. That is, suppose we are given a sentence in the comparative degree, and from comparative degree we are asked to change the sentence into positive degree. So from comparative into positive degree. Yesterday we have seen how we can change sentences from superlative degree to comparative degree. Now today we are going to see how we can change the sentence from comparative degree into positive degree. That means comparative degree, there will be the comparative form of the adjective plus than. Now we have to reduce this form into the positive form. So taller is the second form, that means tall is the first form. Now let us compare the sentence into the positive degree. Here Ravi is called as taller and Raj is called as shorter, or he is not tall enough. Then we have to see the answer. Raj is not as tall as Ravi. The same thing what is written here, what is mentioned here is again mentioned in the positive degree without changing the meaning. That is more important. We don't have to change the meaning of the comparative degree when we change the sentence into the positive degree. So in order to maintain this, we are using not, and again we are using the positive degree with two assistants. They are called as and as. So this combination will be called as plus positive degree plus as. So Raj is not, in this comparative degree, Raj is not as tall as Ravi. The same thing is again we are repeating in the positive degree. Raj is not as tall as Ravi. Suppose many of us may commit a mistake here. The mistake is related to the use of not. Suppose we are not writing this particular word not, then what is the meaning going to be? The meaning going to be is Raj is as tall as Ravi. That means we are telling Raj and Ravi are, both of them are equal as far as their tallness or height is concerned. Therefore, we have to reduce the quality by adding or inserting not. The person who has less quality, he should be awarded with the negative word not. Let us come to second example. It is written Android phones are better than non-Android phones. Of course, most of us know Android phones are functioning very well better than the non-Android phones. So when we compare the sentence in the positive degree, or when we change the comparative degree into the positive degree, we have to go through the same formula, that is not as plus adjective. Here what is the adjective? Better. Better is in the comparative form, so good is the positive form. So we are adding not in order to diminish or minus the quality which is mentioned in the subject non-Android phones. So we will call the sentence as non-Android phones are not as good as. That means we are telling Android phones are good, that means better. Let us see again third sentence. The Pacific Ocean is deeper than all other oceans. In the world, the Pacific Ocean is considered to be the deepest ocean. So now we are telling it in the comparative degree. All other oceans are in front of the audience, and we are calling, and one single ocean is standing apart, and that is the Pacific Ocean. So the difference between these two is the depth of the ocean. That is why we are writing it in this way. The Pacific Ocean is deeper than all other oceans. Deeper is the comparative form, deep is the positive form. So we have come to the sentence. The answer is all other oceans are not. So we are reducing the quality or the peculiarity of all other oceans are not as deep as the Pacific Ocean. That means again we are telling the same thing that is written in the comparative degree. Pacific Ocean is deeper than all other oceans. This is only a way of expressing the same idea in two different degrees. Again I am telling you, the meaning wise this sentence is the same as that of the positive sentence. Then last sentence, let us see. Gold is costlier than silver. Silver less cost, gold more cost. So it is written as costlier. Costly is the adverb or the adjective that is converted into costlier. This is the comparative degree, comparative form. This sentence is in the comparative degree. Now we are telling the same thing. Silver is not as costly as gold. So in this way we can express the same idea in comparative degree if comparative degree questions are given and we are told to change it into positive degree, and on condition that we don't have to change the meaning, then we have to form sentences like this. दोस्तों इस प्रक्रिया में हमें यह ध्यान देना चाहिए कि हमारे सामने कंपैरेटिव डिग्री के सेंटेंसेस दे रखे होंगे और हमसे ये कहा जा सकता है कि आप इसको पॉजिटिव डिग्री में चेंज करें, मीनिंग में कोई परिवर्तन लाए बिना। तो हम देखें, रवि को टॉलर बताया गया है और वो टॉलर है राज से, और हमको बताना है राज रवि के बराबर टॉल नहीं है। तो हम यहाँ पर नॉट का यूज़ करेंगे और उसके साथ में एस का यूज़ करेंगे, और एडजेक्टिव का जो पॉजिटिव फॉर्म है पॉजिटिव डिग्री उसको यूज़ करेंगे, और एक और बार एस का यूज़ करेंगे। तब जा कर के राज की लंबाई रवि के बराबर नहीं रहेगी, ये बात हम बोल पाएंगे। सो द आंसर हमारा ये है कि राज इज़ नॉट एज टॉल एज रवि। हमें मालूम है एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन्स अदर जो नॉन एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन्स है उससे बेहतरीन है। उसी चीज़ को हम उल्टा बताना चाहते हैं, नॉन एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन्स आर नॉट एज गुड एज एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन्स। पैसिफिक ओशन सबसे गहरा समुद्र है और इस समुद्र की तुलना में बाकी सभी समुद्र इतना गहरा नहीं है। इस कारण से हम ऑल अदर ओशंस को पहले लिख देंगे, उसके बाद नॉट लिखेंगे, फिर हम लिखेंगे एस प्लस डीपर का डीप या जो भी एडजेक्टिव हो उसको लिखेंगे और एस का यूज़ करेंगे। गोल्ड सिल्वर की तुलना में गोल्ड महंगा है और उसके लिए ज़्यादा महंगा है, इसके लिए कॉस्टलियर का यूज़ किया गया है, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री है। और फिर हम जो सस्ता है, सस्ती चीज़ है, उसको हम पहले लिखेंगे, सिल्वर इज़ नॉट लिखेंगे, नॉट एज कॉस्टली एज गोल्ड। कॉस्टली यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव डिग्री है। सो हम इस प्रकार कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में से पॉजिटिव डिग्री में सेंटेंस को चेंज करना सीख सकते हैं। पिछले लेसन में, पिछले वीडियो में आपने देखा था कि हमने सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में से सेंटेंस को चेंज किया कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में और मीनिंग में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं आने दिया। अब आज की बारी में कंपैरेटिव डिग्री से पॉजिटिव डिग्री की ओर जाने का कार्य किया है। इस प्रकार के सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन को आप लोग अच्छे से सीख लें और ये आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में और आपकी जो स्कूल कॉलेजेस एग्ज़ाम में काम आने वाला है। थैंक यू।